This next drink is a naughty little minx, the Love Potion No.9, created by a very good friend of mine, Mr. Joe Medrington. It's a simple drink to assemble, but it's really stunning, light and long when shaken properly. I'm gonna start with 25 mils of a rosé dessert wine. It's got a lovely bouquet of flavor, really hibiscus, but also sherry-like notes, touch of cherry style notes. I'm gonna add 25 ml of Bombay Sapphire Gin. Again, those flavors of licorice, acacia bark, lemon peel, really gonna bind together with this. Finally, pineapple syrup. Again, 20 mils, gonna give it a lovely, lovely sweetness. 25 mils of lemon juice finishes it off this 4-ingredient cocktail. The last ingredient is the perfect shape. Add ice. Give it a really good shake until it is ice cold. Give it a taste. It's so lovely, delicate, long, sour, and then just at the back, a touch sweet. For this, I'm gonna double strain using a fine sieve or a tea strainer and a hawthorn. A beautiful color. And my good friend Mr. Medrington likes a bit of protection when he's drinking his Love Potion.